Hi all, this is Lini, one of the aspirants from EduSkills family, and thank you Almighty God and our mentor, Dr. Father Salim Joseph, and our discussion group leaders Nitya Ma'am and Mini Ma'am. Really, I am very thankful because of your constant effort and support. Only today I am here to discuss or explain my discussion journey. Thanks a lot. So first of all, I want to tell you how I joined in the discussion group. Actually, I know about this platform years ago. If I believe 5 or 6 years ago about the platform, but I didn't give much importance. I neglect the platform. Now I realize why I did like this. If I been with the family earlier, surely I cracked the OET easily early. So now I realize what is the importance of discussion group and how to follow for this strategy. Okay. Then first one day I joined it's every day happening except Sunday. In the EduSkills main telegram platform, admins will post the link. So I saw one day the link, then I joined. Just I want to know what is going there. One day I joined, then they asked me to take the slot. Are you ready? Just simply I escape. I told I have day shift tomorrow. Then I was not there at all for around 2 3 weeks. Then again I joined. That time that time I know about the discussion group, and then I thought I keep my mind to myself. I want to be part. That time I was, if you want to be an active member, you have to take 3 slots, and then you will be added to our group. So I agree, then I take 3 slots, then I been with the part since I been with the family since last 2 months. Since that time I can feel myself how much changes I can feel in my OET journey. Then I want to give the special thanks to Nitya Mom, because I am a shy person. I am like introvert. I don't want to talk in front of in the public or like that. So now I am talking because of your encouragement and support only. Today I am talking here. During the discussion time, one day Nitya Mom all of a sudden asked me to do the coordination. If I believe that is my third day or fourth day of discussion day, I was nervous and I don't know what to do, but I didn't show anything on my face. Then I start. I believe I hadn't done it properly, but even though she encouraged, that motivation really, today I am here. Today I am speaking like this, at least like speaking like this way. After that I did many coordination, so I can feel my changes and improvement. That really helped me to speak confidently. That is the one thing. Then secondly, the daily slots while we are presenting every day. So I can say, if you are presenting one section, means you are going through all the 4 modules. So you are taking 1 or 2 questions, reading the question and answer option and the direct takes thoroughly, and we are applying for the strategy in it. We have to do, because we need to present in front of everybody. So always so everyone is very competitive. Everyone is thinking, I want to present than others, like this. No, that competition spirit, everyone is doing their best. Really, that one give me a tremendous changes, because before also I am watching father's video writing the notes, but I am not applying. If I am not applying, how can I improve? So this section we have to apply and we have to present. So unknowingly, so we are becoming competent with the practice. Then another one point is daily task. Always they are giving one small task along with the discussion. Remaining time we have to go through the task. and we'll prepare the note and posting our learning experience in the main platform. That also we are, it means we are always engaged in the OET consistent practice. Another weekly task, only one material will give. We are getting 7 days to complete the task weekly, 10 or 15 minutes enough to spend with that material. So at the end of the week we are completing that also, that task also. So everything is arranged well by Nitya ma'am and Minnie ma'am. In between the discussion, surprise visit also we can see from the father. Father want to make sure we are going smoothly and we are not facing any difficulty, if any clarification or doubt. Even that busy schedule, father is coming and supporting us also. Then Nitya ma'am always make sure, and Nitya and Minnie ma'am also, just not only simply giving the task, she makes sure we are going through the task, and if we have any doubt we can post in the group. Always we are someone will answer our doubts. So we and during the discussion, if someone is very busy, they can't able to make the PPT and they are available for to present the section. So everyone, each of one is cooperating each other, and we are presenting the discussion also. So it's like a family that is really apt for this Edu Skills section. It's like another institutes. No, we are not telling like family. This one like family. So here everyone is helping each other. Then only with this platform is going smoothly, because this is a pre-platform. So we are not helping each other. If no one is taking any initiation, never it will go smoothly. So that is my section. Then even the reading session, I want to say, even I been with the special training for the reading section. I didn't get any improvement from that. I paid, only I lose money, because uh, I feel more challenge on reading and listening. So I go for the special training. What I got from there, just they will read the paragraph and explain, or they explaining the meaning. So I am not getting any benefit. So the same material, I will get the answer. I know the meaning of that, but during the exam we are getting different types of paragraph. Might be that is easy, or might be it's very maybe not understandable paragraph. Might be we will not get the meaning of that paragraph. So how will get the mark? No, because they didn't teach any strategy. Because father is always reading, giving the strategy how to get into the answer. What is the paragraph structure? Where to look for the question, and how to apply, how to analyze the question options, and paragraph. Then if any type of paragraph, any type of authentic material comes, once we apply for the strategy, I am 100% sure we will get the correct answer. So first we have to practice. Don't think about the correct answer. Find out the apply the strategy